In this video, I'm going to give you 7 important tips to choose your business process management partner. As businesses expand their market overseas, the need for a reliable and competent outsourcing partner is essential in the path of their growth. From customer care support to data entry services, the BPM companies have become the lifeline of every company, irrespective of their sizes. However, the demand for outsourcing has been immensely increased over the decade, and that lead to the growth of multitude of BPO service providers around the world. With the variety of options available for BPO agencies, it is crucial to choose the right service provider for your company. For a company to thrive in the global market, it should maintain a smooth and manageable workflow for its completion of essential tasks. The main point that needs to be focused on is a better utilization of resources. The solution lies in delegating the back office functions to a service provider that is pro in this task. One of the biggest benefits of hiring BPO is that a company can streamline various office functions at a time. Outsourcing is a way better than appointing an in-house team for conducting these tasks and activities in your office. It is not only the time-consuming thing, but also a huge capital investment incurred in the process of hiring employees and training them. Hence, it is very important to research beforehand while choosing the right BPO service provider for your company. So here are my 7 important tips for it. The first one is experience. It is essential to choose a firm that comes with hefty experience. An experienced BPO service provider will have domain expertise and the knowledge to deal with challenging situations in the business process like data entry and other business functions. The experience of the firm also helps them to provide competitive edge in the market over other companies that offer similar line of businesses. The second one is security. Data security is the most vital aspect to consider while selecting a BPO partner. While outsourcing, a company shares much sensitive information with the third-party service provider. Hence, it's very important to check whether the company has top-notch security policies like non-disclosure agreement and strict service level agreement in place. The companies must ensure that the outsourcing agency must have the latest cyber security devices that measure data security. My third tip to check is strength of the firm. One of the important reasons for consideration while choosing a right BPO service provider is the availability of skilled resources. The outsourcing firm should have qualified professionals for delivering the work on time. Always check the resources before selecting any firm for outsourcing. The fourth tip is technology. The intervention of the latest technology is proven to improve the efficiency and productivity of the BPO service provider. Make sure that if the firm is not using the latest technologies, but the technologies must be relevant to the business process they're working on. A BPO company can be more successful when its integrated approach will work historically in its every office function. The fifth tip is about scalability. A scalable BPO service provider is important in terms of facilities and resources and strength. In the lean region, scalability is important to cater the desired products to the clients without increasing the different overheads to the business. Every company should choose a scalable outsourcing partner while expecting a better commitment towards outsourced business activities. The sixth tip is about infrastructure. It is indeed an essential factor for a BPO service provider for setting up their exclusive terms and equipments. Infrastructure like high-speed internet, phone connectivity, hardware and software, they're extremely important. It's required for smooth operations of their workflow. The importance of infrastructure is directly related to the smooth delivery of BPO services. Now, 7 important tip is about quality assurance. Quality assurance is the most important aspect that needs to be considered while selecting BPO service provider for your company. Quality of the data shared by the companies is essential for companies relying on the data and many critical decision making. Hence, the outsourcing company needs to follow strict quality assurance while strictly adhering to the data breach policies. So these were my 7 most important tips while choosing your BPO partner around the world. Now, if you are looking to outsource some of the functions to a reliable contact center, I recommend you to consider Countrywide BPM based in US. Countrywide BPM offers unique business process management solutions to a range of industries including insurance, healthcare, and banking. Countrywide BPM has the vision to revolutionize the way businesses interact with their customers with state-of-the-art inbound and outbound contact center services. If you want to make your business profitable by acquiring new clients and offering the best-in-class customer service, then get in touch with Countrywide BPM now. Visit their website www.countrywidebpm.com or call now on +1 251 316 0323.